Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. My name is Leah and I teach people how I trade and invest in the stock market so I don't have to rely on a job and have that time freedom and financial stability to do the things we all love to do, like spending time with our families, traveling, being a hands-on parent. Not everyone has the luxury to do that, so having the skill of trading and having investments that's bringing in income is very beneficial. It has changed my life and I'm so excited to be working with you on this journey. So let's get started. My partner and I started trading together as a team about 5 years ago. Before that, we were trading the markets on our own. We started our company, Upscale Wealth, doing business as Upscale Investors in October 2015. We currently run an investment club that consists of a chat room where individual traders can network with each other and learn from each other, a step-by-step e-course for beginners, daily trade ideas, one-on-one coaching, and a Forex auto trader. Most of these services is included in our membership, which you can check out at upscaleinvestors.com. The purpose of this webinar today is to answer the number one question I get all of the time when I tell people I trade for a living, which is, how do you get started doing something like that? First thing first, we are not financial advisors, a hedge fund, or broker. We are a private investment company. We manage our own capital as retail investors. We specialize in trading in stocks and Forex. We absolutely love what we do. It gives us freedom and unlimited income potential. Our mission is to remain committed and focused on helping you achieve your financial goals by providing quality trade ideas, trade alerts using our proven strategies, unlimited resources, and virtual support. How to buy stocks. Learn the basics, figure out your investment goals, determine your risk tolerance, find your investing style and strategy, find a broker, pick your investments, review and adjust your portfolio. Each one of these steps is explained in more detail in our e-course or in the Learning Center on our website. You can also request a one-on-one coaching session. Forex Trade Copier. The auto trader is amazing. It automatically invests your money for you. It's a trend-following auto trader. The currency we use is Euro USD. Set, take profit, and stop loss for each trade. To copy our trades, you want to head over to the website upscaleinvestors.com/offers and click on the auto trader. Tips for beginners. Buy companies you know, like Ford, Coke, Starbucks. ETFs are exchange traded funds. They kind of work like a mutual fund because they have a group of stocks in one, but ETFs trade like a stock, so you can buy it on your own. You don't have to go through a broker. Stay away from speculations and IPOs. IPOs is initial public offering, so a brand new company, when it's listed on the stock exchange, they offer an IPO. Now you want to stay away from those. You just want to give the company time to stable out and see how it does on the stock market. Buy dividends, reinvest dividends. Buy when others are selling. Pay attention to the news. When I say pay attention to the news, I don't mean to take their advice. Like if they say, go out and buy Amazon because it's taking over the retail world, you don't want to go out and buy Amazon. You just want to be aware of what's going on just in case you have that stock in your portfolio. Don't invest more than 50% of your account. So if you have $1,000 in your trading account, you don't want to have more than 500 invested in stocks and you want to have the other 500 sitting in cash. That just gives the market room to go up and down. Or you can do like 70-30. That's about what I do. Don't put all your money in one stock. When you're first starting out, you want to have about 3 to 4 stocks. That's enough for you to be able to manage and keep an eye on. Do all of these things and you will do great. Best stocks to invest in for beginners: Microsoft, Apple, Disney, Amazon, Boo. Boo is one of those ETFs we were talking about. So it has the S&P 500, which is the top 500 in the stock exchange. The top 500 stocks that's listed in the stock exchange. Ford is a great dividend investing stock. I love it. They're consistent and it's a strong company. Become an upscale investor. Stop buying these and start buying these. Stock Market 101 for beginners. Here's a list of the things that's included in our e-course. Learn how to buy stocks and which stocks to buy. How to manage your trade and grow your account. Practice buying and selling stocks real time. Keeping track of your trades, having a game plan. Options trading for beginners. Different trading strategies. Building a balanced portfolio. And 30-day free trial to our chat room, and more. Getting started. If you have little to no trading experience, we recommend you join our foundation membership, which includes our e-course. You will need a trading account to benefit from our trade alerts. We recommend TD Ameritrade or Robinhood. It really doesn't matter which broker you use. We do have a list of recommended brokers on our website. Open a practice account and get familiar with the trading platform. Practice buying and selling a stock. If you open an account with TD Ameritrade, it comes with a free practice account. Even if you don't want to use that broker, we do recommend that you download their practice account. It's one of the only brokers that offer free virtual trading account. And if you're a newbie, take at least 50 practice trades before investing your real money, or take the e-course. Download the link to the chat room. There's a mobile app and a desktop app. This is where you will receive your trade alerts, so it is recommended that you download it on your phone. Once you become a member, you will receive the link to the chat room in your email. Refer your friends and family, get 50% off your monthly membership or a cash referral. Go over to the website upscaleinvestors.com/offers to get the 50% off code if you're watching this. So if you have any questions, you can email us down below, info@upscaleinvestors.com, or you can leave them down in the comment section. How to sign up: become a member at upscaleinvestors.com. Open a broker account. Again, it doesn't matter which broker account you use. Connect to our chat room and earn while you learn. Where to find us: so here's our website, our social media. We have Facebook and Instagram, and our email address. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. Again, here's our website and our social media. Thank you so much for watching this video. We look forward to working with you. Bye.
Are you ready to gain your financial freedom? Let us teach you how to build wealth. Whether your goal is to quit your day job and start trading stocks for a living, or add a secondary income to start living the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family, trading stocks can open up a new world of opportunities. And you don't need to have any prior experience or degrees to get started, as long as you have a basic understanding of how trading works. Upscale Wealth Investment Club is an online trading community where investors share knowledge, resources, and trade ideas to help each other generate consistent profits trading stocks. It's a unique opportunity to learn how to buy and sell stocks without risking a lot of your own money. A membership of the Upscale Wealth Investment Club gives you access to proven investment strategies, as well as our blueprint for generating a consistent income. You will join a 24/7 chat room with daily trade alerts, quality trade ideas, and the educational resources to help you prosper financially. If you are new to trading stocks, sign up for our e-course, teaching you step-by-step how to make money on stock trading. As a member of the Upscale Wealth Investment Club, you can learn trading while you earn money and trade with support and guidance from more seasoned investors to minimize your risk and maximize your profit. Step into your financial future with greater confidence, or set yourself up for a comfortable retirement by signing up for a full membership or the step-by-step e-course today.